Hi there, students. To relent. Okay, to relent means to become less severe, less intense. The government planned to double taxes, but later they relented and only imposed a 25% increase. To relent, to become more lenient, to become more compassionate. For 3 days she would not talk to me, but finally she relented. She changed her mind. To relent, to slacken, to become weaker, to become less strong. It rained all morning, but finally at lunchtime it relented. Either it slowed down or it stopped completely. To relent, to change your mind about a decision or a course of action, especially if that decision is very drastic or very harsh. I was really angry, and I told my kids they were grounded until they were 18. But after a few days I calmed down and relented and let them go out again. The headmaster expelled me from the school and refused to relent. To relent, to soften or to abandon a harsh attitude and maybe finally agree to a request. I refused to lend him any money, but finally I relented. I changed my mind and lent him the money. So to relent, to become less severe or less intense. The high wind relented. The storm relented. He will never relent in his search for the truth. They wanted to ban me from the club, but they relented, thank God. Then we have two other related words, relentless and unrelenting, which I think are both fairly similar. If something is relentless, it never stops, again and again and again. And if it's unrelenting, it doesn't stop again, it doesn't change its mind. So the spread of this COVID virus seems relentless. We are going to relentlessly search for a vaccine against this virus. Okay, so unrelenting. An unrelenting search for the virus. We're never going to slow down or stop. So notice as well, to relent, a regular verb. He relented. He has relented on this matter. And I'd probably give to relent 6.5 in formality. You could probably just about use it informally, but I might use the phrasal verb to back down, to give way, or even just to change your mind. He refused, but finally he relented. He changed his mind. He backed down. Okay, and what about the origin? Well, it's got a Latin origin, relentare. Lentare meaning to bend, originally from slow as well. So to bend, to not be straight anymore, to slow down. So your thirst for English vocabulary seems relentless, and that is why your English is constantly improving. So to relent, to become less severe or intense, to slacken off, to stop, to change your mind about a drastic or harsh decision. There we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Relent.